Wow, what a machine this is. The Calista from Bordelais. Originally designed from the ground up to be the solution for wood burning into low energy and passive houses, when it can be coupled with the Efficience flue system from Pujalar, which will make this unit completely room sealed, hermetically sealed, balanced flue. So no need for any other ventilation into the room, and it's suspended. Okay, pretty special. When configured with a normal conventional flue system, that's only 150 millimeters diameter. So this is a big substantial appliance on quite a small efficient flue system. 790 millimeters at its widest affords you this great huge expanse of glass, so you can see the flames rolling away in perfect control inside. In terms of options, you've got the standard 4 standard Bordelais paint options. So shown in black, we have black, anthracite grey, taupe and chocolate brown. Okay, any of those, no additional cost. It can be available, or you can specify either with the single glass door and fixed orientation, so that's how it sits. There's a couple of other options. You can have the rotation, okay, which enable you to point the fire in whatever direction you want. That can be full 360 degrees, or we can regulate that to only point into specific zones. Or your other option is you can have it with double-sided 2 glass windows. Absolutely mint.